Hey guys, Mike from CCTV Camera Pros here. I'm here in Summit County, Colorado, and our installation partner out here near Breckenridge and Keystone is working on a home security camera system installation at this house that you see behind me here. And although it's not done, we did finish installing that Viewtron 180-degree security camera that you see behind me. And luckily we had the recorder up and running because a bear came through this front yard yesterday, and we caught some great footage of it that I'll show you in a second. But I first want to show you the amazing wide angle and deep view that this camera captures. So the camera basically captures the entire front yard here, and you can see this house has a long driveway. Actually, that garbage can that you see at the edge of the driveway, that's 68 feet away from where the camera is mounted. And the camera just does an amazing job of capturing the entire front yard of this lot, as well as a little bit into the neighbors' yards, where you'll see the bear come through from the neighbor's yard in a second. Let's take a look at that recorded video surveillance footage. Here's the recorded video surveillance footage from the Viewtron 180 camera. This was recorded on one of our Viewtron NVRs. And you'll see the crystal clear picture of the bear coming across the driveway here. And look at the ultra wide angle of view that this camera is providing. Guys, I want to mention a couple things about this camera before we wrap up. It's a Viewtron IP camera. And again, it's a 180-degree security camera. It's two 4-megapixel lenses that get stitched together to create a single 8-megapixel or 4K resolution view. It only uses one channel on the Viewtron NVR, and it's power over Ethernet. So that camera is hardwired back to the Viewtron recorder using Cat6 cable. The AI software, like all the Viewtron AI software, all the Viewtron AI cameras supports human object detection, vehicle detection, and this one also supports facial recognition. So I'm going to set up some intrusion zones out here so we know anytime a car is entering the driveway or anytime a person enters the property. In addition, this is also an alarm security camera, so it has a built-in microphone and speaker. The speaker can be triggered to sound an audio siren or a warning message. If someone comes on the property into an intrusion zone, a warning message or a siren can come over the loudspeaker to let them know that the area is under video surveillance. There's also two LED lights on this camera. One is red and one is blue. You can activate those alarm lights also triggered by those AI events like human intrusion detection or vehicle detection. So this camera is super versatile. Actually, the microphone speaker supports two-way audio. You can come over the mobile app after getting a push notification that someone's on your property and actually speak with them and ask them what they're doing there. It has a ton of functionality. You could see the 180-degree view is amazing. Crystal clear video resolution at 4K resolution. Honestly, I wasn't planning on putting that camera there. I was planning on putting one of our zoom cameras to get a close-up view of vehicles entering. But honestly, I don't have that camera out here yet, and I put that one up temporarily. And I love the view so much, I'm just going to leave that 180 camera there. I think it's perfect for that location to monitor virtually the entire front yard of this mountain house. Guys, if you have any questions about any of this, if you're interested in a security camera system or a wildlife camera system for your home or vacation home up in Summit County, Colorado, that includes Breckenridge, Frisco, Dillon, Keystone, Silverthorne, and all the other surrounding areas up here in Summit County, I'm going to be up here all summer. I'm happy to give you a hand with a design and a quote and give you some ideas. And we supply these systems worldwide. So we can support you remotely with the designs and the consultations really anywhere in the world. If you want to learn more about these Viewtron IP cameras, please visit www.viewtron.com. Thank you for watching.